Welcome to the Cryptoness. Alright, so today we're having some action, or we had some action. And yeah, during the night, it was amazing. I received some emails of people freaking out because, I did say, more likely this is the top of the fifth wave. I did say more likely. But anyway, for the moment, I'm still, I don't regret anything. As you just know, if you are a member in Discord, I did took some profits on Ethereum. The reason is because I want to scale out partially from Ethereum and scale in into Solana. And yeah, so I'm still taking profit. I'm not shy. Am I a binary trader? No, I scale out a little bit, and then if it goes well, I buy back when it's going to make a deeper pullback. So if this is the top of the fifth wave, then yeah, maybe this is just the A working on a fancy B wave, and after that a C wave. I'm not lying, to you. If price goes, I'm ideally waiting for a level where the price is going to go and reach the MA 200, but this is the best case scenario. Starting from the 91,436, I may start to scale partially in on, once again, I found, maybe 2 weeks ago, ETF of Solana 2x open, or I discovered anyway. So I want to scale in that because, let's face it, Ethereum, it didn't perform well. Looks like a very not good chart. Anyway, for the moment, we are waiting for to outperform. And in case it does outperform even Solana, then Solana for sure will go higher. And yeah, if that is a 2x whatever Solana does, then it cannot compensate. So I'm kind of redistributing slowly my investment to maximize the potential gain. But anyway, that's my strategy. Now, if we go higher, am I going to start to cry like some people that I got some message? No, I am not. I still have cash flow, and even if you go higher, we are not this. It's going to go way higher for sure. But I mean, let's face it. Okay, so now it's 91,436. In a case Bitcoin reached the other level here, so we're talking about 93,000. So this is 3,000 more. So worst case scenario, I sold at the same level that I potentially going to buy back again. But because I'm buying Solana, then on a 2x, then more likely I should be. To me, it's a no-brainer. Anyway, that's my strategy. Now, yes, I'm talking about Solana with the chart of Bitcoin because Ethereum and Solana will follow Bitcoin chart. And actually, this cycle, yeah, Solana really follow well the Bitcoin chart, unlike Ethereum. Okay, so now worst case scenario, which is not a worst case scenario. It's for me, it's a win-win. If this indeed was the C wave, so we did the top of the third wave, A, B, and a C. Okay, so now this is micro counting, and I don't know, maybe this is micro counting 1. Oops, not at all the good. So this could be a wave 1, this is wave 2, and then we're going to have a 3, a 4, and a 5. I'm fine with that. I can put in yellow, yes. Okay, so let's go and explore this scenario here. Large a little bit. So I'm going to take my fib retracements. Actually, I'm going to go on a 15 minutes because once again, we're doing micro counting, right? So I'm going to put a pullback here from the beginning to the end. Levels for wave 2. Okay, so it looks like we started to react to the 0.618, which is an ideal retracement here, but then after we bounce back, got rejected. So this is the level where, let me change that to yellow. Okay, so we have this theory now. Wave 2, is it done? Unsure, right? We have a potential wave 1, micro counting, 15 minutes, it's worth it, what is worth it. Wave 2, well, deal breaker would be if the price reached below 92,800, let's say 15 to round it up, then it's going to invalidate this bullish fifth wave. And yeah, so the short-term bearish count, it would stand more. Actually, it would be pretty much the, anyway, in my opinion, the main scenario. I'm still looking for that primarily, but if there is a price reversal as this area here, and then we make a higher high compared to this top of the wave 1, allegedly 95,643, then yeah, I'm going to check what's going on here and possibly taking a little bit more profits, because this could be just, once again, we had an A, and then we had an A, a B, and a C for this B wave, and then I would just reallocate this B wave here, and it would still be perfect. So I know we need to also stop this FOMO tendency, right? What if, it just skyrocketed and this was the fourth wave? I mean, look, this was the top of the third wave in blue. Actually, yeah, I mean, that could be crazy, right? Maybe this was the top of the third wave and we did a crazy A, B, C super, like I cannot even call that a fourth wave, and then the fourth wave was here, and now we're still already skyrocketing, and maybe we're going to go and reach, let me see here, let me get out from the 15 minutes, maybe we're going to reach the $100, right? And actually now we are already in the fifth wave in green. I wouldn't mind, because I'm only trading a little bit, and so my big chunk is still running, so it's not an issue for me. We need to stop always focusing on the greediness that we can always reach the maximum gain, but let's be happy with what we have. And if it does do that, then we're going to have even a deeper correction, so it's okay. I'm fine with that. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.